Hello backend engineers, what we have to do today is convert a list of employees to a map of employee ID, and all the employees that matches to that ID will be the list and will be the value of that map. And the trick here is to do that just in one line using streams. What we will do is list.stream, then collect that stream by saying please pass a collector that can be created using grouping by function. And what this grouping by function is accept a functional interface. So employee get ID, and this can be equated to this, and we can print this map